Hi, this is a tutorial to use the VLOOKUP function and the concatenate function on Excel. And I'm only sharing these as a prerequisite for you to be able to follow along. You can always type out everything that you need, but I think this is a real good feature for you to be able to just do things quicker and faster. So what VLOOKUP is, we're going to start with VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP will help you. Let's say you want to send a message to student 2, 7, 11, 14, 19, 22, 20, 26, etc. Right? Like you want to choose specific students from here. And you want their phone numbers. So instead of like doing a sheet and typing the phone numbers here and their names, etc., there's a VLOOKUP function. The VLOOKUP function will insert the phone number that you want from of these lists, right? Like student one, let's say whatever name he is. Right now, we're just going to name him student one, and we want the phone number here. So what you will do, you will press equals, and this will help you to put in the function. So equals, and we're gonna put VLOOKUP, and then I like double clicking on it. It'll set it up for you. So first, what are we looking for? See, it has a parenthesis. Well, this is what I'm gonna look for. I want for you to give me here student one. Okay, well, the program is asking you, where is student one, or where should I look? We're going to go back to the sheet that we have. And this sheet is just any sheet that you would, download or that you would already have from a software, from the system, from, in my particular case, from the school district. And you just highlight here. Okay, and we're telling it, you're going to look everywhere on here for student one. Sorry. Okay. And then it's asking you, okay, so once I find student one, what should I do? Which option should I give you back? Well, I want the phone numbers. So that's option B, that's two. This one will start counting 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll count your columns and then comma, and you would type either true or false. I always put false because you want the exact match. You close the parentheses and you press enter. See, and it gives you back the phone number of the student. You just click and drag down and it gives you all the phone numbers. You can pause right now to be able to do this part so if you're following along, and if you're not up to here, you can pause it now. Okay, so if you pause the video, you should be back already. You should have this, right? Now I'm going to open another one that says concatenate. The Google Voice, the bulk texter, it actually has a specific format. And this is the format that we need. So we need the phone number, comma, and the name, whatever name you want to put. So with the phone numbers that we have, let's say we're going to copy this. Right, you right click, you copy, or you can do the on your keyboard, Control C. Then you go to concatenate and you paste them on here. And we want it in this format specifically. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna equal concatenate, right? Because this will put it together, and we want the phone number first, right? And then you're gonna put a comma. Well, what else do we want? Okay, well, I want specifically a comma. So you're going to put it in quotation marks. Then you're going to put a comma. And what else do you want? And then I just want the name to be on there. And you can close parentheses. See here? It has a phone number, comma, student one. Then you just click and drag. And it all that concatenate is doing, it just puts things that you have in two different columns and it puts it together into one. Then from here you can copy and paste it. So you can pause it or you can end the video. This is what we have for concatenate, and this is all you would need up to right now before we start sending the individualizable text messages through Google Voice. Thank you, and please keep going forward for the next tutorial.